Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a video about iPhone tutorial, and I would like to show to you the way how to mark your calendar on iPhone. So the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and to mark your calendar you just need to go open your calendar. So the calendar on iPhone will be like this, and you just need to click it to open it. And now you just need to choose which dates that you want to add the event. For example, this on 20 December. So you just need to click the date, and there will be pop up here like several information about the celebration of special day. But then to create your own event, you just need to go click this plus button. And this plus button here, there will be like new event information. You just need to add the title about the event that you will have or you will run. For example, like go home. So I will let you go home at 20 December, and after that you can just do the reminder like starts. Make sure that you change the time here. If you go home at, let's say you go home at 8, so make sure that you already prepared it for like a long day, like I said 12. And whenever you're done, you can just go click the ends part, the times too, and whenever it's already like correct, you just need to go click add and go back, and here it's already marked on your calendar the event on 20 December. So that's the way how to add an event or mark your calendar on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel to discover more about iPhone tutorial.